Hey guys, welcome back to the second video of a UK on the USA Moviestarplanet server. So today we're going to be asking chat roomers if they support Trump or not, with one simple question. I've tried this out a couple of times. Some chat rooms are completely silent and don't reply. Others are just like, ew, Trump. And then some are just like, no, which is the right answer. And this one seems to just kind of be awkward. And she is confused, but at least that's an answer. Well, let's not get political. Yes or no? This is for a YouTube video. At all. I assume she means not at all. So, this chat room is okay, I guess. It's a bit useless, so we are going to change chat rooms. Chat room number 2. We're going to ask the exact same question, and we're kind of just going to see people reply. People are talking and moving, so I assume they're probably a bit more active here rather than the other place. Okay, good answer. That was a pretty good answer. She actually replied. Rasham. Shout out Rasham. Next chat room. This chat room is a lot more empty. I kind of want to see if a more empty chat room just kind of means more replies instead of just weirdos standing there. Ew, no. Good answer. Going on YouTube. So now we're quickly going to look at this form that I made and just see what people replied. They seem to pretty much be on my side, especially about the Trump stuff, which is pretty decent. What is this comment though? What the heck? The UK? Haha. Okay, this comment was made by the American people who wish they lived in New Zealand. New Zealand is irrelevant. Like, the only thing I know about fucking New Zealand is your lamb. That's all you're known for. Right, let's go to another chat room. Woohoo! Trump test part 4, I think? And I seem to have literally just walked in on a diamond ride, which is pretty good. So I'm just gonna ask the question as I collect my coins. And it's gonna lag me the fuck up, but whatever. Honestly, don't think anyone's gonna reply. Oh, she did. Because I'm asking. I'm filming a YouTube. She seemed pretty aggressive over it, like I was accusing her or something. Okay. Right, that's not really a reply, so yes or no? I don't know if that showed, like, this game is so glitched. We have our first Trump supporter, and it's this girl. So, Butterfly B. Trump's bad. He's a child. Joseph. I don't even know that much about politics, I'm just going off. They're both disgusting. Don't support any. Literally. Exactly. This guy is kiss me, I'm hot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, she's female. She speaks facts. There's not really much drama here, because I said a Trump comment in the UK server and I had about 20 people attack me. But whatever. Not on this one, sadly. I like drama, but people don't seem to be bothered.